Hey guys. Y'all, this should be a pretty quick project. All right, so y'all, this is a quick little patriotic project. We've got a nice patriotic star. Dog paw ribbon that needs to go away. Patriotic mesh. Bicycle wheel. All the things. Not really, just a few of the things, y'all. All right. Glue gun is on. Will this sit right here? I think it will. What's the chance that that whole thing is gonna fall over? Y'all, this is a 16-inch bicycle wheel. Right, we're gonna start by cutting a piece of mesh. Y'all, look how cool this is. So this is a poly burlap with tinsel in it. So we're gonna need about a 30-inch strip. Y'all, and that's all we need off this. We're done with that one. Throw it in the trash. I'm just kidding, y'all. I put it in the save pile. All right. We need to make our bow. So y'all, I'm gonna measure a pretty long tail. Get a little twist. Right? And then just start my loops about 6 inches. And then we're gonna take our other tail and go towards the top. How do you keep the bicycle wheel from scratching their door? It's got a nice coat of paint on it. It shouldn't scratch anything. All right, our next one is gonna be a shorter tail this way. Give it a twist, slide it in. Right? Then we have our loop up this way. Loop this way, just slightly smaller. And then a long tail. All right. Y'all, then I'm going to just go back to this one and do the same process over again. Is it too late to join the 30 days? It is not. You can still join. Y'all, we're having fun so far in the 30 Days of Lives. This bicycle wheel is sold out because I think I took every one of them for the kit. If I remember right, all the red ones.
And then we had yellow, but they were going too.
All right, our bow loops just get slightly smaller every time. Where did I buy the wheel? DecoExchange. All right, let's get one just strip in there. Right, just one good strip. Just for an extra tail, just for some fun. And then we'll do one center loop. Kim, did you get your wreath yet? All right, one little center loop. Get that trimmed off. our 2 pipe cleaners, a little twist. We'll pull this out. We'll wrap our pipe cleaner around it. Right, nice and tight. Give it a little twist. Y'all, I always twist my bow. I don't twist the pipe cleaner. All right. Y'all, now I'm gonna take my mesh, curl each end up just a little bit. The wheel came from DecoExchange. All right, y'all, and then just crunch it down the middle. Y'all, then I'm gonna take my bow and I'm just gonna put it right on top of that ruffle. Why the bow and not the pipe cleaner? In my case, I find that the bow gets a lot tighter in the pipe cleaner and it's easier to twist. Just personal preference. All right, now our bow's done. Now we can attach it to our bike wheel. So I'm just looking at the wheel to see if there's a scratch on it or if there's like a defect in it that I would want hidden. And this wheel, the only piece that I see is right here where the frame is kind of spliced together. So that's the spot that I want to make sure is on the back and hidden, right? Now we're gonna make sure that we get our pipe cleaners wrapped around one of these spots that is crossed. All right, we don't want it to be too far in the center because that's weird, right? We're gonna bring it out to the side a little bit. That way it looks like you have one side decorated and that you can still see that it's a bike wheel. So getting that twisted off on the back. So you can see I just wrapped that pipe cleaner right around the frame. Y'all, I'm gonna trim this pipe cleaner down a little bit and then I'm gonna tuck this pipe cleaner back into the mesh that's on there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of glue to make sure it stays right where I want it. All right, let's get our bow trimmed up. So I have all these nice greens. Gonna get them trimmed off. Probably more greens than we need, for sure. We also need to figure out where we're gonna place our star. So I'm thinking I want the star to come out the top side up here, like above the bow. Like this. Y'all, we almost had our flag positioned upside down. Now, y'all, on this sign, because we're putting it on this bike wheel, and you'll be able to see through the back and see the stickers, we have to take those off. All right, so we've got our pipe cleaners on there. I'm gonna get this positioned. The tabs on the back are called mounting squares. So let's get some of our greens added. So y'all, we're just adding the greens randomly throughout the bow. So we can't really put them into the bicycle. There's nothing for them to grip into. We're putting them into the mesh that we added, and we're putting them between the layers of the ribbon. All right, so that's what we have so far. All right, for this one, I'm gonna cut it into a few smaller pieces. All right, look how cute. Do you make a hanger on the back of the wheel? I don't. There's plenty of places for them to hang it right there, all the way around. So this is this bicycle wheel. The other bicycle wheel that I did is right here. I don't know if I can reach it. Here's another one. This is a bigger bike. So one is 14, one is 18, I think. I'm gonna get off here so I can add some people to the group. If you wanna join us, it is damonscreativecoaching.com, and you can actually join for your first month for $12.50, which means you're gonna get 30 tutorials for what, 42 cents each? Not bad. All right, bye y'all.